Hey guys, hi YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a video reviewing these two products that have been a game changer in my skin. I did a skincare routine video, which I'll link below, and I talked about these products, but I felt like the two of them just needed a video of their own. Um, yeah, because they've really helped my skin. And also the reason I'm doing this video is I think 2 weeks ago, I got two comments. Somebody said, "Oh, your skin looks great. What are you using?" And for me, it meant so much because as somebody who most of my life, I've never really had good skin. I was like, wow, something is definitely working because a lot of people, if at least people noticed it. I mean, I noticed it too, but it just was like, it just felt so good to hear that because um, when I turned 39, I noticed my skin shifting. And this time it wasn't so much about acne. And I have used tretinoin cream in the past, which worked amazing. But there's times that I've had insurance issues and I'm not able to get my hands on it. So I remember being like, I think 38 and a half, and I started looking at products that can work for me that don't require a prescription. You know what I mean? So that I could have it down so that whenever I can't get tretinoin cream, I can just use those. And I think I have it down now. I'm not changing it again because I tried to go about 2 weeks without the good molecule products, the two that I'm going to talk about. And I noticed my skin kind of reversing. And I was like, oh my God. You know how you ask yourself if a product is working and you're not sure, and then you get the answer because I saw my skin kind of going back to where it was. So when I turned 39, what did I notice about my skin? It got drier. No matter how much moisture I put, I would notice that it just sucks it up and my skin is back to drying like the next morning, for example. And a lot of products were just kind of sitting on top and it just would not get that moisture. My skin looked dulled. I didn't have a glow to my skin, and I just was like, oh my God, what is happening? And there, a lot of people said drink water and stuff. I started drinking more water and all those things, but I still noticed that my skin was just not glowing. That's like, I always wanted a glow, and I was like, I need to figure out products that can give me that glow. Well, I guess the glow comes also from the inside, but anyway. So I started really looking into that. So now I have a skincare routine down, and I'm going to leave the link of what I talked about, in another video. But it's pretty much the same stuff. I haven't changed anything. And it seems to work really well for me. As I said, acne is now basically when I'm during my period. It's not so much like it used to be. Before it was just constant, like random places. And now it's like down to just, certain areas here. And that's about it. So now it's just a matter of having a skincare routine that just keeps my skin looking decent. And that's really my goal. So let's talk about the products. And this is also another product that I've been using for the past, it's almost been a year. I reordered another one because it's a staple and it's been a game changer. Because this lady was on TikTok, was talking about it, and she was so right. Oh my God. But anyway, it's not about this one today. It's about these two right here. So these are the two products right here. I'm doing my little, what is it called? Selfie, for my thumbnail. Okay. So let's get started. The first one, I went and got a bigger bottle. I tried to order the Good Molecules toner, discoloration toner. I tried it for one day and my skin went crazy. I was like, nope, I'm returning this. I'm not going to buy this again. And got the same one that I had in a bigger bottle. So this is the Niacinamide Serum. 10% niacinamide to refine signs of texture, improve appearance of pores. So I got in the bigger bottle because I love how this is. So this comes in this, as I already talked about it, can't talk. As I talked about in another video, and it has a little drops, and it's pretty much this, it's like it's kind of lightweight, like gel almost. Yeah, it's not gel, but yeah. So it says to apply a few drops morning and night before oils and moisturizers. Let it absorb for 30 seconds and basically suitable for daily use. So you can use this AM or PM. What I do is after I cleanse, I use this, especially at nighttime. And this is almost like a primer for your skin, and it kind of smooths out everything. So when you wake up, your skin just looks really polished, and it looks very like it's just waiting for product to go on. You're not having that like, oh my God, what is this flaking here? What is this here? and or if you're gonna put makeup on, it just slides on easily. So this product has just been really nice on my skin, and it's really hydrating. So hydration is one of the things that I've been really trying to work on, so that we have that glow. So this has been one of those products that I reach out to so what I do is switch them with this one. So I mean, yeah, there's nothing really else on it, but one of the things I love about Good Molecules is the price. The price is very good. So you can just get a small bottle like this. Like this is about $6. So you could try them out to see which ones work for you. I've heard a lot of people on TikTok talking about them, so I had to try different ones to see which one worked. And these two are pretty much the ones that I really love, that seem to do the trick for me. So yeah, I just put this on after cleansing. Sometimes midday, sometimes at night, but I try to be consistent with it, because one of the things that I've noticed that is really keeping my skin decent is to make sure that I have a routine down. So the routine down is my skincare routine video. That's what I pretty much do. I don't really change it, and it's worked so well. So yeah, that's one of the things that I really love. I really love this product. Niacinamide, I believe it's good for you for moisture and helping your texture and all that stuff. So once I put this on, sometimes I'll wake up and just put a moisturizer on, and then go about my day. The other one that I love is the Discoloration Correcting Serum. I tried the toner. The toner was not good for my skin. It made me feel like it burned my skin. It was terrible. So I returned it and got this one. This is also another one that comes in a drop, and it's whitish. It looks white, but they're kind of the same, almost like a similar consistency. So you take this and apply it after cleansing at night, especially. And when you wake up, it also has almost like a primer effect. But the good thing about this one is you have to wait on it a little bit, because I thought it wasn't working. But I think between a month and a half, I noticed that my skin was starting to change. So what did I notice it doing? I noticed that all the acne scars that I had were starting to kind of heal, and they were peeling off. And then I also noticed that my skin started glowing, and I had more moisture. I noticed the side of my face, the darkening that I had all around was going away. So my skin started having this balanced look. Like it looked very even. Like it looked really well moisturized. And it looked like all the acne marks that I was having in different spots of my face were just fading. So give it time. That's one thing I could recommend about this one, is give it time. It might look like it's not working. Just be patient. About a month and a half or so, you're going to notice that your skin will start looking better. So I want to say it feels like it's lightening the stuff, but I don't really know. But your skin will appear way brighter. And it's just something in this. So it says it improves appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. You're going to notice that in about a month and a half. So give it time. You're supposed to shake it and then apply to cleanse skin and let it absorb before applying any serums. So you make sure you follow up with a serum with this one, or your moisturizer, whatever. Moisturize with a serum, a facial oil, moisturizer. So pretty much these two products are meant for, you put them on before you put your daily stuff that you always use. And they just do the trick. Like as you're sleeping, they're just really moisturizing and keeping your skin, just not looking dull. These two are just awesome for that. So I just had to do a video on this, honestly, guys, because when I tried 2 weeks without them, I noticed that my skin was just looking dull again. I started getting the flakiness again around my mouth, and I was like, oh my God. So these are now a staple. Like, I have my skincare routine down. I'm not changing it, because I have to keep my skincare routine simple, because it doesn't need over the top, because when I try to do too much, it starts going crazy. So this has been my skincare routine. This one, the bigger bottle, is about $14. This one, the small one, is $6. So Good Molecule products are really decently priced, but they work, which is really weird. But anyway, yeah, so that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. I felt like I just had to talk about my excitement for these two products right here. Like, game changer. And when I follow up with my excuse me, guys, I've been sick. Glycerin and rose water mist. Do not buy the moisturizer itself. Make sure it says mist. The mist works way better than the actual moisturizer from this brand. So when you go on Amazon, I'll leave this link below as well. Do not order the moisturizer. Order the mist. Because you can just go around and like spray your face, like, and it feels so good and refreshing, and all the moisture just sits on your skin, and you wake up and you're gonna have a glow to your skin that is just amazing. Anyway, so yeah, I just want to share with you guys these two products, and I'll see you guys in the next video.